Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can face track or hand track on a video in TikTok. So press next and select your video, and then press like the edit button here underneath the arrow button, which is like this one. And then you're going to select magic, and as you can see there is a face track. There's also hand tracking here, so you can just select which one you want. It's going to select face tracking, and it's going to be applied to the video, and as you can see it follows the movement of the person's face. You can also try to do the hand one. I'm just going to show you real quick. It's a little bit different, but it tracks your hand movement and stuff, and I feel like it's just super easy to do. Once you're done, press save and then just press next. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!